Here's how to convert to HEIC for free. So if you got other image files and you want to convert them to HEIC, I created an app called ConvertSave, and it's an offline file converter for Mac and Windows, and it works by just dragging and dropping. You can drag and drop image files. You can actually do audio and video as well. And once we have them in here, we're just going to select our output. So in this case, we're going to convert to HEIC, and we're going to hit convert. It's going to save it right next to where those images came from. So if you need to do this right now, you can actually use the link in the description only on this video to do it for free and get ConvertSave for free. Hopefully it helps you, convert images, but also there's video conversions and audio conversions, and it's really simple to use. Drag, drop, convert, save. It's literally in the name. I don't know if I already said this. I made it with my brother. He's a software developer. I pretty much went to him and was like, I'm really sick of like Googling websites, trying to figure out conversions, only being able to do a couple at a time, downloading them, figuring out, where they go, having to organize them. So we made this app, and I do hope you guys find it useful. And if it's something you want to keep, then keep it. If you just need it right now for free, hit that link in the description. Appreciate your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.